All right, if you're gearing up for the 2026 engineering admissions, today we're taking a close look at the Tamilnadu College of Engineering in Coimbatore. The TNEA code you'll want to remember for counseling is 2721.
Okay, let's cut right to the chase. The single most important thing you need to know right off the bat is that this college is NAAC accredited with an A grade. That is a powerful, independent seal of quality, and it sets a very high bar from the get-go. So, with that strong start, let's talk first impressions. We've put together the key facts that you and your parents are going to want to see right at the top of your list when you're deciding where to apply. So, here's the quick rundown. We've got that NAAC A-grade confirming quality. Admissions are through TNEA counseling, following the standard 65% government quota and 35% management quota split. There are 390 undergraduate seats available. And get this, the college reports a 97% placement rate. On top of that, they've pulled in over 38 lakhs in research funding, which is a great sign of a really active academic scene.
Okay, every college has a story. So let's dig into this one's identity and heritage. Understanding where an institution comes from can tell you a whole lot about where it's going.
So this college has been around for a while, since 1984 to be exact. It was started by the Tamilnadu Technical Education Foundation, a registered trust. We're talking about a history that spans 4 decades. That brings a lot of stability and experience to the table.
And this right here, this is their founding vision. It really gets to the heart of what they're all about. It's not just about turning out engineers, but about molding professionals with confidence, courage, competence, and integrity. I think those 4 words really say a lot. You can actually see this evolution in their timeline. They started out in '84 with the classic branches, civil, mechanical, and ice. But look how quickly they adapted. Just 4 years later, in '88, they brought in CSC and ECE, riding that first tech wave. Then came more expansion in 2006. And check this out. As recently as 2022-23, they added AI and data science and IT. That tells you they're keeping their finger on the pulse of the industry.
Okay, let's move on to the official stuff. This is all about the stamps of approval, the third-party validations that prove a college meets certain standards. For parents, this section is absolutely critical.
First up, it's affiliated to Anna University. That's the main mothership for engineering in the state. They've got a current AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year, which is a must-have. And of course, as we mentioned, that NAAC A-grade. Honestly, these are the 3 checkboxes you have to tick for any college you're considering.
All right, now for the main event, academics. Let's get into what you'll actually be studying and, just as importantly, who's going to be teaching you. So the college offers a total of 9 undergraduate programs, and you can see a real strategy here. They have a strong focus on the in-demand circuit branches. You've got 60 seats each for AI and data science, IT, CSE, and ECE. At the same time, they haven't forgotten the core engineering fields. Automobile, civil, electrical, and others are all there. It all adds up to a total approved intake of 390 students.
And who's leading the charge in the classroom? Well, the college has a team of 70 permanent faculty members.
So let's break down their qualifications. Out of those 70 permanent faculty, 12 have earned their PhD. The other 58 hold master's degrees. This gives you a really clear snapshot of the academic expertise in the faculty room.
Academics are one thing, but what's it actually like to live there? Let's talk about life on campus. The practical things like facilities, hostels, and getting around. And this is a big question for many families. Yes, the college does have on-campus hostels, with separate facilities available for both boys and girls.
What about getting to and from campus? Well, for day scholars, there's a college transport facility. And if you're traveling by train, the nearest major station is Coimbatore Junction, which is about a 25-kilometer trip.
The campus itself is pretty big, spreading out over more than 52 acres. And it's modern, too. The whole campus is Wi-Fi enabled with a 250 Mbps line. In terms of learning spaces, you're looking at 42 ICT-ready classrooms, a whopping 73 laboratories for hands-on work, and a huge 1,500-seat auditorium for events.
All right, let's get to the bottom line. The question every parent and student asks, what are the results? We're talking about placements, research, and real-world outcomes. The college reports a placement rate of 97%. That's a huge number, and it really speaks volumes about the career opportunities for their graduates. But it's not just about getting that first job. The college is also focused on building innovators. They have an active Institution Innovation Council, or IIC, right on campus. Now, this is a big deal. It's an initiative from the Ministry of Education that's all about fostering a culture of new ideas and entrepreneurship. And when it comes to research, you can tell a lot by who's funding it. The college has secured grants from some of the top government agencies in India. We're talking about DST, AICTE, SERB, TNCST, and CSIR. These are household names in the world of science and technology research, and their backing is a major vote of confidence.
So, what does all that support add up to? Well, the total funding from these prestigious agencies is over 38 lakh rupees. This money goes directly into funding research projects for both faculty and students, which means you get incredible opportunities for hands-on experience.
Just a quick note before we wrap up. All the information we've shared today is based on what's available on the college's official website and other trusted government portals. We pulled this data in April of 2026, so it's as current as we can make it.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.